Hi you guys, thank you for watching. So for today's video, I wanted to try out the new Murillo twins collab with Beauty Creations. They came out with their own line of products, and when I found out that they were collabing with Beauty Creations, I was super excited. I really love Beauty Creations brand. And I also have been watching the Murillo twins for like probably 2 or 3 years now, and I absolutely love them. And their makeup is always so beautiful and perfect. For today, I used Brianna's palette and created this eye makeup look. It's very girly, very pink. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I created this makeup look and my thoughts on all of these products from the collab, then go ahead and keep on watching. This is what Brianna's palette looks like. I wish I would have got Brittany's as well. I just felt like I had more purple shades in my collection rather than pinks, and I really have been into pinks lately. This one was just calling my name, but now I really wish I got both of them. So this is what the sleeve looks like. She looks absolutely beautiful. Her makeup looks bomb, and I love the packaging. I love how everything is peachy. Like, if I were to ever come out with my own collection collab, I legit like have always wanted to do peach tones, and this is so cute to me. Everything really great packaging. I love how the front of it is easy to clean. I know they mentioned that in their video because I also hate that when you're traveling with palettes and when they get dirty, it's just like makes you so annoyed. So I love that they made this super easy to wipe down. This is what Brianna's palette looks like. It's so pretty. I love all of the pinks. I also love how it comes with a mirror. I'm just gonna get started. I really don't know what kind of look I want to do, but I do know I want to play with the pinks. So I think I'm gonna first dip into this shade right here, which is like WTF. I love how they named the shade that because if you watch them, you know they always say that, and I think it's so funny. I already primed my eyes with my P. Louise base. It is creasing a little bit, my primer, so I just want to blend that out first. This is a really pretty color. I feel like this would be a really pretty blush as well. So far, this is performing really nicely. Also, you guys, I'm sorry if you hear my lisp. I've had Invisalign now for a couple months, so I'm still getting used to talking with it. Whenever I put a new tray in, it's like I kind of go through the lisp all over, but then once I have it in for about a week, it goes away. I'm gonna now take this shade number 25, blend that right into my crease. Yeah, these are blending really easily. Wow. I've actually never tried Beauty Creations eyeshadows before. They're working really great already. Okay, I'm gonna now go in with the shade Bay, which is this dark purpley shade. I'm gonna pack that on the outer portion of my eye. I'm gonna now cut my crease using my P. Louise base once again. So unfortunately my camera battery died, so I did this eye off camera without realizing. So for the lid, I took this hot pink Barbie shade. It is such a pretty color. Packing this color on my lid. After I packed that pink shade all over my lid, I wanted pop of glitter, so I took this shade called It's Lit. So I put this where I cut my crease, like right along the edge. Okay, and then for the very inner corner, I took this light pink shimmer shade called Vibes. I love all of the names in this palette because it really is everything that they say. I took this really pretty iridescent light pink shade and popped it on my inner corner. And I also kind of dragged it upwards into the glitter, so they kind of like mesh together. This is pretty much the eyes all done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup off camera. That way this video isn't super long, and come back to try the rest of the products. I didn't put any bronzer or blush on because I wanted to try out their face palette as well on camera. Again, the packaging is so cute. So here is what the face palette looks like. I love that they have 2 bronzers and 2 blush shades. It's nice and compact too, so like super easy to travel with both of these. They don't take up too much room. So I think I'm gonna mix these two bronzer shades. I really like the shades of the bronzers. They're not too warm or cool tone. They're like the perfect neutral. I'm gonna mix both of the blush shades as well because I want to try them both. Oh, that's super pretty. I don't really have a lot of very pink blush shades, so I'm excited. So I think I'm going to move on to my lower lash line now and then finish the rest of my face afterwards. I'm going to go in with the shade Bay, the dark purple plum shade. I'm going to take a more dense brush to really pack this color onto my lash line, my lower lash line. And I'm lastly just going to take a little bit of the hot pink shade that we used all over our lid. So here is what the lip products look like. I think it's really cool how they were able to come out with like their own individual products. Ooh, so cute. Oh my gosh, these are both so cute. This one is Brianna's. It comes with a lip liner and a lipstick. And Brittany's comes with a lip liner and lip gloss. We have Brittany's lip liner right here. It's definitely more mauve pink tone, and Brianna's is more brown. Both of these shades are really, really pretty. Here are the lipsticks. Sorry, I am not good at swatching, but this is Brianna's lipstick and Brittany's lip gloss. Now that my eyes are pretty much done, I'm gonna apply my falsies. So I'm gonna take Brianna's lash. This is in the style Too Cocky. So here are what Brianna's lashes look like. They're really wispy, which I love. I usually always get the style Daydream from Beauty Creations. It's like one of my favorite lashes. I honestly got into Beauty Creations from I Love Sarai. She would post about their lashes a lot. Their lashes are $6 or $7, maybe $8. Very inexpensive, and they are beautiful. Like, they look like lily lashes. I think the packaging, they really just did so well on. This is so cute. I love how it has a little slip with her eye on it and her name. So, so cute. And I always make sure to let it dry and get tacky. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with Brittany's lip liner. It's called Poppin'. Wow, this is super creamy. Now I'm going to take Brianna's lipstick in the shade Brie Brie. Ooh. Oh my god, this is so creamy. Oh my god. I'm not being dramatic or exaggerating. I've never felt a lipstick this creamy. This one feels like moisturizing. It's probably my new favorite lip product. But I am gonna finish the rest of my makeup off camera, just do like my highlight and lower mascara, and come back with the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today and the makeup look I created using the Murillo Twins and Beauty Creations collaboration. The palette is so pretty. I love how you can create more of a colorful look like I did today, or you can create a more neutral, everyday type of eye makeup look. I think my favorite products that I tried today were the lip products. The lip liner and lipstick were just so bomb. Glided on so easily, and I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to continue to use that. I think that's my new favorite lipstick right now. So yeah, that completes today's video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate that, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video.